Minasan, konnichiwa. Hello everybody, I'm Lucas. I'm a Japanese language teacher and it's a pleasure seeing you again. In this video, you are gonna talk about some vocabulary and travel expressions. Many people are surprised by a question about Japan. Not everyone speaks English, not even in the most tourist places. So, to ensure more peace of mind when traveling around the country, and also to gain the sympathy of the Japanese, I put together a basic list of words and useful expressions for those who are going to live and adventure into the land of Mount Fuji. I think it's quite important to know some greetings in Japanese. When you greet a Japanese person in Japanese, you are not only showing that you know a little Japanese, but you are also showing an interest in the culture and customs of Japan. The Japanese people admire and respect that a lot. So, let's see some expressions now. The first one, Ohayou gozaimasu. Ohayou gozaimasu means good morning. Next one, Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Hello, good afternoon. Konbanwa. Konbanwa means good evening. Konbanwa. Now, oyasumi nasai. Oyasumi nasai. Good night. The next expression is sumimasen. Sumimasen. Super important word which can be used in many situations. It can be an excuse me when crossing a crowd, or sorry in case you bump into someone or cause some kind of inconvenience. It's also used to call a waiter at a restaurant or approach a salesperson in a store. Sumimasen. The next expression, onegai shimasu. Onegai shimasu means please, depending on context. This expression demonstrates politeness at the end of a request. Can be used in a restaurant or izakaya, Japanese bar. For example, as in biru hitotsu onegai shimasu. Biru hitotsu onegai shimasu. A beer, please. So it's a very useful expression. Onegai shimasu. Now let's see kore, sore, are. Kore, sore, are. Keywords that will help you a lot in Japan. If used in combination with your index finger, point and say kore for objects that are close to you. Sore for those objects that are closer to the person you are talking to. And are from something that's far away from both of you. If you are going to point two items on menu when ordering, you can just say kore to kore onegai shimasu. Kore to kore onegai shimasu means this and this, please. Kore to kore onegai shimasu. The next expression is osusume wa nan desu ka? Osusume wa nan desu ka? What's your recommendation? When you don't know what to order, you can always ask for a recommendation. Now I'll introduce a series of useful expressions to be used in Japan. Kore wa nan desu ka? Kore wa nan desu ka? What is this? Kore wa nan desu ka? Next one. Kore wa sakana desu ka? Kore wa sakana desu ka? Is this fish? Kore wa sakana desu ka? You can replace fish in the sentence with any other word you want. For example, kore wa niku desu ka? Kore wa niku desu ka? Is this meat? Kore wa niku desu ka? The next one is a very useful expression. Kore wa ikura desu ka? Kore wa ikura desu ka? How much is this? Next one. Eigo no menu ga arimasu ka? Eigo no menu ga arimasu ka? Do you have an English menu? Okaikei onegai shimasu. Okaikei onegai shimasu. The bill, please. Another useful expression. Now, when you wanna know if the person speaks English or not, you can say, Eigo wo hanashimasu ka? Eigo wo hanashimasu ka? Do you speak English? Let's see another one. Wi-Fi がありますか Wi-Fi がありますか Use it when you want to know if a certain location has internet or not. Next, トイレはどこですかトイレはどこですか Where's the bathroom? トイレはどこですか You can replace bathroom with any other word you want. For example, 駅はどこですか駅はどこですか Where's the train station? And the last one is おいしいおいしい means delicious. おいしい When you wanna please the chef of a restaurant, you can just say this word, おいしい If you wanna know more things related to Japanese language, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the like button. 皆さん、ありがとうございました。バイバイ